Alright, so guys, the iOS 26 OS was just launched, and let me review it so you don't have to go through the stress. And honestly, this thing's looking neat. Let's first start with how it looks when your phone comes on. I'm using a 14, so yeah, your device will be different. So let's start. I like the way the notification, this liquid glass really makes it give some a feel to it that it's nice. I really enjoy it. I enjoy this. Yes, but I think there are some things that like. So let us get into the phone. First, what you realize is that I've added a new game app. That's something that iOS does not have. So let's check it out. This is the first time I'm opening it for myself as well. So let's check it out. Let's see what it has. It's taking forever to load. Come on. I'll just have to cut it out so you don't have to see. Okay, so this is it. I think it's like the game launcher on Samsung, but let's just see what it has to offer. So let's take next. Saying something, continue. Apple games, personalized experience, blah 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 blah. Hit next. Ask for Apple ID and stuff. So let me just fill out this real quick and get you going. So hit that. Obviously, I'm going to be going with Ameri Shelley. Obviously, I'm going to be going with Ameri. Let us see. You have who can see your activities. Let us see. Friends, what they should do. Let us give it a profile picture, because why not? Let us see. Let us see. Yes, I like this. Next. Continue. Obviously, the name is taken. Let something like 2031. Let us hit next. Okay, we are in the games app for the iOS 26. What does it have to offer? Okay, so already bring up the games that I have on my phone, because I have chess and I got this math puzzle game, which is nice. And I think you can like play games with friends. I still need to check it out and see what this new app can do. But let us move on. Another thing improvement that I love that Apple has done for this iOS 26 is this notification bar. Just look at this. Look at this. It is glowing. At first you think you don't like it, but when you start using it, you realize that it is really nice. It is really nice. Although I don't like the shape of how they have moved things around. Like if you look, this now things just feel weird. Things feel weird, but I think the spacing between these gaps are bigger. Things are just different, but I just like the gloss finish on it. So let's go through it. And I think they added a preview up. Yeah, this is it, a preview of what iOS 26 look like. This is our look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. That's really nice. Let's open Safari. You see that? That's called liquid glass at work. And yeah, pretty much that's it. iOS 26. It's not really coming with any new features. I'm still going to check out it, see things that I've missed, because I'm sure I've missed a lot. But yes, it is iOS 26 and it was just released yesterday, and I'm making this video today so you can catch up with it.